Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. In today's video I thought I'd do a 1 year recap of the mulch glue that I put down on my little pea gravel here, or small 1-inch stones. They vary from 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and I wanted to answer some frequently asked questions. I had a lot of questions from that video, a lot of views. So first, let's kick off. I will show you why I love this so much. There you have it. It is easy to keep clean, and when you're surrounded by all these trees, it gets full of leaves. So I just blow it out, keep it clean. It's a little harder to blow out the big rocks. This makes it really easy. But first, let's dive into one of the first questions is, does it prevent weeds? And obviously, if you got a keen eye, you'll see, no, it does not prevent weeds. Especially if you have a lot of pine trees. You see these little pine saplings coming up? They will sprout just about anywhere, but they're easy to pull up as they're probably just germinating in the surface just below the rock. There's another one, easy to pull up. Saw another big one over here. Here we go. I left this here just so you guys can see, you know, it will germinate weeds in it, but they are very easy to pull out. And I did put down a 30-year weed fabric underneath the rock before I put the rock. But overall, it's done a good job in weed suppression. But it's not like an epoxy where it just fills every nook and cranny with the product. It basically just bonds to the rocks and the rocks to each other, which leads to the next question: is this permeable? Which means, will rain and water flow through it? So let me grab the water hose and I'll show you, give you a real live example. So the answer to that question is a resounding yes. Water flows right through it. We've had days where we had 5 inches of rain, 6 inches of rain, water flowed straight through it. Didn't cause any problems. So on to the next question: does it hold up to a slope? I mean, as you can see, the rocks slant this way, and also in front of my air conditioning units, it also slopes a good, I'd say, what's that, a 30-degree slope, 35-degree. But yes, look, after 1 year, it's still holding up. Now, I was going to do this review in 6 months to see how it held up, but it was like I practically sprayed it. It held up so good. In fact, the instructions say to reapply every year, and based on the results, it looks like I don't really have to reapply. It's still holding up fantastic all the way around. I mean, I can hit it, move my hand back and forth, and it's still holding good. On this side, it's still the same, nice and solid. I walk on it, it's really holding up good, which will lead to the last question: how is it holding up? It's perfect. I couldn't ask for anything better. I do have another can of it, but I'm gonna hold off. Once it stops holding, I may spray it again. As you can see, it has a lot of debris on it that still wouldn't come up from these awful pine trees, little seedlings. They're everywhere. Guys, I hope this little quick 12-month recap showed you how well it holds up. And guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, and be sure and subscribe if you haven't. Got a lot more videos coming up, especially now that it's warming up and the grass is starting to turn green. So I will have a lot more yard videos. Well guys, we'll see you in the next one. Hope you have a great day.